discovered a fantastic AI tool that lets you translate your videos in your own voice, all while syncing those lips perfectly. It's like magic. Découvrez un outil d'IA incroyable pour traduire vos vidéos avec votre propre voix et synchroniser les lèvres parfaitement. Découvrez cet outil d'IA fantastique. शानदार AI टूल आपकी आवाज में वीडियो का अनुवाद करता है और होठों को पूरी तरह से सिंक करता है. यह जादू की तरह है. Descubrí una herramienta de IA increíble que traduce tus videos con tu propia voz, sincronizando los labios perfectamente. Es como magia. 素晴らしい AI ツールで自分の声でビデオを翻訳し、リップシンクさせることができる方法を発見しました。まるで魔法のようです。Descobri uma ferramenta de IA incrível que traduz vídeos com sua própria voz, sincronizando os lábios. É como mágica. 发现了一个很棒的 AI 工具，可以让你用自己的声音翻译视频，同时同步嘴唇动作，就像魔着一样。Entdecken Sie ein fantastisches KI-Tool, um Ihre Videos in Ihrer eigenen Stimme zu übersetzen und gleichzeitig die Lippen perfekt zu synchronisieren. Magisches KI-Tool. 비디오 번역 및 완벽한 입술 동기화를 위한 환상적인 AI 도구를 발견했습니다. 마법 같아요. AI tool vertaalt video's naar eigen stem met perfecte lipsynchronisatie. Ontdek deze fantastische technologie. Het is als magie. Videolarınızı mükemmel şekilde senkronize eden harika bir yapay zeka aracı keşfettim. Bir sihir gibi. Ho trovato un incredibile strumento di IA per tradurre i tuoi video con la tua voce, sincronizzando perfettamente le labbra. È come magia.
Hi, I'm Danny in this video. I will show you how to translate your video with your own voice and lip syncing. So stay with me until the end. For the magic you saw, I used a platform called Heijin. Just click on the link in the description. It will take you to this page. You have some free credit that you can use. Drop the video file you want to translate here and select the target language. And click on this button. With the free usage, you may have to wait in a long queue for the result, but if you upgrade, you can bypass this limitation. Currently, it offers support for 11 input languages and 14 output options. More languages will be included soon. About video requirements, as mentioned here. Try to avoid background music and noise and try to use good quality video. Also, try to avoid multiple people. There must be only one face in the video. The video time should be between 30 seconds and 5 minutes. If it's less, add more content. If it's more, cut it into smaller parts. Before I show you more features, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you click on this button, it will take you to the main page, where you can see all the features of this platform. You can create your own custom talking avatar by uploading your favorite photo or choose from their selection of pre-made talking avatars if you don't want to upload your own image. The cool new feature they've added is the ability to make a talking avatar of yourself. It only takes a few minutes of video to generate one. You have the option to clone your own voice or use pre-made text-to-speech voices in many different languages. There are also tons of ready-made templates to use for different projects. Spend some time exploring the variety of features available on the platform. That covers the basics. If you're a native speaker of any of the languages I tested earlier, I'd love to hear your feedback on how natural and accurate the translations sounded. Please leave a comment sharing your thoughts. And if you're interested in learning how to create hyper-realistic AI influencers or make AI-powered song covers, be sure not to miss these videos.